What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I got a very special guest on the show. Dre Dizzle the Truth himself, baby.
Yes, sir.
Dre, how you doing today, man?
I'm doing good, brother.
Good. I'm glad to have him here. This man and me have been friends since grade school, man.
Sir.
And he is one of the best hip-hop artists out right now. I gotta tell you that shit right now. This man has been dropping hit after hit. I'm talking about Baby Wipes, Miss Mary Mac. He's just dropping all the hits, baby. And I'm going to put links in my description to all his social media and where you can find his music videos and all that good shit at. So y'all make sure and check this man out. Give him a like, give him a follow. Do what you got to do, baby. Today, though, we're going to show you how to make some BBQ steaks on the grill. Good shit, baby. Beautiful day to do it, too. But you know what we got to do to get it done. We got to start that shit. So let's start that shit. You heard right, baby. Barbecued steaks. And we're going to go outside and put them on the grill. But first, we got to get them seasoned, baby, because what would a good steak be without some seasoning? Today, I'm using Famous Dave's rib rub, and y'all know I've used this shit before. I use it on everything, baby. Today, we're going to use it on the steak. Now, like I say, this is real simple. Nothing to it. Just this rub, and at the end, we're going to put a little barbecue sauce. And that's really all you need. The heat is going to make the meat sweet. That's what I'm talking about, motherfucker. So, we're going to put this shit on here right now. And we will take our hand and rub it in. Now, I'm going to do this myself. I'm going to let Dre stand back because I don't want him to get his fingers dirty, baby. He's got shit to do. That man's too clean to get dirty. I got to tell you. Rub it in and flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. That's what I'm talking about. And when you're done, you're going to see that these have a nice red color. And it's going to kind of stay that way after it's done, too, baby. It's going to have a nice red hue on top of it. Looks pretty good to me. So, I'm going to wash my hands. We're going to get our shit and we're going to go outside. Dre, you ready to go?
I'm ready to ride.
Let's do it, baby. Alright, baby. The grill is hot and so are we. I got to tell you that right now. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to grab our meat and show it to you, baby. Right here in the street. So, got these steaks ready to go. Got the grill ready to go. And what I did with these poles is when I spread them out, I didn't put them all over the bottom. I kind of left a little space on each side. That's indirect heat, baby. Then you get a flare up, you can move it away. That way you don't burn your meat. You don't want burnt meat shit. That's nasty. We're going to take these steaks and put them on right now.
Looking good, brother.
Looking excellent. Hear it sizzle, too. That's what I want to hear. A little sizzle with Dre Dizzle. That's what I'm talking about.
Right.
Yes, put those on there. We're going to close these lids. We're going to let them cook probably for about an hour. Now, you want to check? I'd say everybody, 30 minutes. You don't want to open that lid too much. When you do, you're going to lose your heat. It'll take longer to cook that meat. So we're going to close that shit. We're going to sit over here, and we're going to talk to Mr. Dizzle and see what he's got going on lately. What do you think about that, man?
I'm waiting, brother.
Let's do it. Oh, that's what I needed right there, is that seat out here in the sunshine.
Yes, sir.
And my boy Dre is here. And you know what? We haven't seen each other in a long time. You know, we talk all the time. And like I said, this has been my guy since 4th or 5th grade, man. We used to run around, skateboard, and do all that shit.
Sir.
A little 2-on-2 basketball over there.
Northwest.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So while we got you here and we got those steaks on the grill, man, tell us what you're up to. Tell the audience what you got going on.
Well, I got a show coming up May 22nd
Nice.
at Bud's Cafe.
There you go.
So we're going to be doing that from 9 to midnight.
Right.
You know what I mean? I got like 4 or 5 other artists that's going to be featured on it. So we're going to rock the place.
Yes, sir,
And
man.
then I got my album, Cloudy with a Chance to Drizzle. It was a 1-disc album. Now it's 2 discs.
2 discs.
So we're working on that. And just putting out these music videos, brother. Just keeping busy.
Yeah, you got a new music video dropping soon, don't you?
Yes, sir. I got 2 new music videos dropping soon.
Look at this man.
Yes, sir. We got Baby Wipes dropping soon. And then we got My Brother's Keeper. I
Nice.
did a song for my brother that passed away a few years back. You know what I mean?
Right.
So, one of the more special songs to me. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
I think everybody gonna love it.
Yeah, you've been coming out with some fucking hits, man. You know, of course, I follow you. I fucking watch everything you do.
Yes,
I
sir.
love you to death. You're my
I love you
brother,
too,
man.
bro.
So, y'all be sure to fucking follow Dre. Like I said,
Yes, sir.
down in the description, hit those links because I'm going to have his Facebook, his Instagram page, and also his YouTube page where you need to subscribe to see all the new music videos. And come out to Bud's and watch the boy rock the place and have a couple beers with
Damn
him.
right.
You
Damn
know what? You get there, you can have one on me, and then I'll have one on you. Make it easy, you know what I'm talking about?
Hell yeah.
So man, right now we're gonna let these steaks cook, and then by the time that we're done, we'll get back up, get them inside, and me and you be ready to have a fight when we man.
With it, brother.
Let's go. Alright, baby, the time has come. The barbecue steak is done. And we're about to have the first bite just for us, baby. You ready?
Yes, sir. I'm
Let's
ready.
do it, man. Damn.
Perfect.
Damn.
Perfect.
We did that shit.
Mm-hmm.
And now y'all can do that shit. I want to thank y'all for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. And I want to thank my guest, Dre Dizzle the Truth, for being
Thank
here.
you for having me, brother. Thank you.
And you're welcome back anytime, man.
Thank
You know my house is yours.
Yes, sir.
Anytime. I want y'all to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And once again, look down in that description and follow Dre too. Hit all his shit up because he's got big things coming, and I know there's bigger things coming after that. And after that, something bigger than Godzilla's ass, boy. So you better watch out.
Oh yeah.
Now, we'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a good one. And enjoy that steak, baby, like we're going to do. We'll see you.